Good morning and happy Monday. Happy Motivational Monday. I'm Holly. This is Fern the Camper. And today we will be talking about getting your vision board set up for next year. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe. You can do so by clicking the subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you receive every notification we upload on Motivational Mondays and also every Thursday. We have got the big Thanksgiving holiday coming up very shortly, and right after that it is Christmas, and of course that pretty much heralds in the end of 2019. If you have not considered doing so, do now think about what you want your next year to be, and what better way than to start off the new year with a vision board. Today we have myself and my lovely assistant Thorn, who will be helping me create our vision board. So let's get started.
Hi, it's Thorn here from Fern the Camper, and we are going to be cutting and pasting and making our plans for 2020. So here are boards up there, and we've got some things. We got some tape. We got some Sharpies over there. We got a glue stick, and our boards, of course. And I also did some drawings. You can see there's Fern up there. There's Fern. So let's start. So far, a lot of empty space.
A lot of empty space? What have you got on there that's not empty space?
So I've got a little DreamWorks logo because I like to watch DreamWorks. I did like a Chicken Run 2 DVD picture because I like to watch Chicken Run. And there's a Chicken Run 2 coming out soon. I did like there was something in the magazine that said food and had this picture next to it. So I cut the food out and put GF, and I put the picture next to it. And then vitamins to energize. It did have this little like lightning bolts near it, so I put that there. Most of this I drew by myself. This is supposed to be a birdhouse, but I could have a magazine and just pasted it on there as Fern.
It looks like a little camper.
And there's a picture of Fern that I drew.
Oh, very nice.
I put a farmhouse. It's like the packaging for a cookie, and I put the cookie from it next to it.
So you think 2020 is going to be a good year?
Yeah.
Filled with travel, new kitchens, vitamins,
and also
fashion.
A little thing. Once upon a holiday in 2020. Okay, so here we are, and so here's my board, and on the top it says once upon a holiday in 2020, and I put a picture of some boots, and I said more fashion. I put a picture of Fern because I know Fern is named after that plant, and I also did a little I said we love Fern, a little fern-shaped exclamation mark. Same right here. It says Fern the HC1. Here's Fern's HC1 friend.
What's her name?
Pine.
Oh, that's a great name.
Which is also the name of our tent. I just named her Pine because her colors are pine. And it says Adventure in the Woods. And here it has the little DreamWorks logo. It says Experience the World Around You. Here's a little rooster saying crock-a-doodle-doo in the sun because it's morning. And it says wake up in time for an adventure. Keep exploring. Travel everywhere. Watch new movies in the cinema, which is Chicken Run 2. So I just love Chicken Run. And there's a second movie coming out soon. There's Plan Our Future Kitchen. There's a picture of Fern that I drew and says Family Time in Fern. A little cookie and its package. Some little like macaroons. And it says GF food. I'm going to pretend they're GF macarons.
I like that.
And like vitamins to energize. Because we always want things from our food to like give us energy. And yeah. So I put my name. Because you know, if you lose it, and whoever finds it knows who it belongs to.
Super cute.
So that's my board. Hope you enjoyed it and keep camping.
Today's shout out is to Barefoot Adventures. Barefoot and his wife travel all over Florida, and they have the most sweet, beautiful RV, and they're just a lot of fun. You will see some beautiful historic sites. They will take you into some wonderful places to RV, give you great reviews of places to stay and places to take your RV. It's always an adventure, always fun with those two. So have a look. I will add them to the end of this video and also in my sidebar with my other supported creators that I have there and in the description box below. Okay, so here is my board for 2020. My vision board shows the family camper. We have the seasons represented and there are adventures. Enjoy them. I have a non-HC1 camper up here, not because I'm changing campers, just because I think this is a really sweet picture and encapsulates the spirit of enjoying your camper and trailer. Over here I have a sign that says hit the trails, because I think we need to do a little more hiking and certainly more adventuring. And I would really like to hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel in 2020. That's definitely something I want to work hard for. And I want this to be a really healthy financial year. I want to be able to earn and repeat. I have the countryside, these great photos from random magazines with the road showing the wonderful destinations that you can get to by car, and nature, one way or the other, is always within reach. Choose your trail, and of course don't forget to relax. It's so easy to take everything so seriously and not enjoy the journey you have. And in this corner, I also have a lot of produce because we have been eating more healthily while we're on the road, and it's something that I think we've all been benefiting from. So that's it. That's my sum up for 2020. I'm hoping it will be a really successful, adventurous, fun year, and good luck to the adventures you choose to plan, and I'm looking forward to hearing about them in the comment section below.